Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Today, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about this Duratech 4-piece pliers set. It's on the cheaper side. I'll also be reviewing just the pliers alone later with a head-to-head test against a bunch of other pliers. Man, I'm getting tongue twisted today like crazy. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. After the intro, we'll look into these. Hey, thanks for staying here. Hey, we're gonna walk you through these. This kit was roughly 20 bucks. It's a pretty decent kit. Comes with a neat little pouch. The pouch, it seems to be fairly well made. It's some type of nylon, I guess. All the pliers come in individual packaging. They're actually twice packaged, each of them. Comes with a pair of channel lock style. Pretty sharp teeth on those. And so it comes with needle nose, channel lock style pair of pliers, regular pair of pliers. These are like 6-inch, and a pair of diagonal cutters. I believe that's what these are called. So one thing I'm noticing about them, all of them look like they're forged, and then they're machined to size, and machined and cleaned up, and then they ground off like the radiuses. The fit and finish is pretty good. These jaws on these needle nose, they line up pretty good. They close all the way. They got the cutters are closed all the way. These pliers have just a small amount of looseness in them at the joint. They're a little offset. I don't know if you can see that. They're a little offset right here on the jaws. This one is down just a little bit. Other than that, they're pretty decent. It looks like this jaw fits inside the teeth of this jaw. So it may be on purpose. I'm not sure. And these are ground well and machined right. They're not offset any. There's barely any wiggle room in that joint. Pretty decent set of pliers. If you're looking for pretty decent little kit. If you're looking for something kind of cheap, these have a bit of play in them. That's a pretty good bit of play. But still, I think they're okay for a cheaper pair. I'll do some stress testing on it, and we'll see what they look like. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to just twist on these. This is a grade 5 bolt, and I'm going to twist on these and see how well it grips and see how much it tears up the teeth. Well, it grips pretty good. Let's see. Now, we went backwards with that, so that's really not fair, but there we go. So going backwards, I'll try to zoom that in. It tore the teeth up just a little bit. You can see right there, tore the teeth up. Going forwards, it barely did anything. to the T. Let's grab a piece of pipe and put it in here and see what she does. Okay, let's see how well she grips on this pipe. This is my cheater pipe that I use to put on the end of stuff. Let's see if I can twist it inside the pipe. I can't, but it's holding on pretty dang good. Those are pretty decent. I wouldn't, if I was looking for an economic set of pliers or a pliers kit, and I didn't have nothing else, let's say, you know, I like Knipex or whatever you want to call it. Let's say I couldn't afford it and I needed a set now. Maybe I was starting in the trades and I needed something now or whatever. I know there's Klein and I know there's everything, but for $20, you got a 4-piece set to start with today. That's something you can throw in your car once you can afford to buy something else like your, you know, your Klein, your Knipex, or whatever it is that you're wanting. And then you just throw these in your car and, you know, use the other ones in your toolbox. These will do what you need to be done, what needs to be done. This was just a simple test, but I really like these for a budget-minded set of pliers. And even if you don't want to buy them to work with on a regular basis, buy them to throw in your car. Keep something in your car. Buy them to throw in your, you know, go toolbox or whatever, you know, the case may be. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to tune in for more videos. I try to mix it up. I do a little bit of everything. I don't just review tools. I work on my car. I work on my shed. And just a little bit of everything. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure to smash that like button and share it. Please share it. Get the word out to all your friends. Let them know about me. I really appreciate it. Y'all take care.